It's day
8.
8. So it's day 8. Heading down to the beach.
It is 13 minutes past 6 in the morning.
It's 13 past 6. Heading down to the beach to watch the sunrise. But it's kind of already started, so Mum's gonna meet us down at the beach.
So what are we doing today?
Did you vlog to the beach yesterday, or did you?
Yeah, a little bit.
I weren't there yesterday, but it's me instead of Lydia yesterday. Anyway, so today we are going to do... What are we going to do, Daddy?
We are...
No, I'm going to tell you.
Oh.
We're going to do the high ropes.
Yep.
Can you take your flip-flops?
Yeah.
So, we're going to do the high ropes in the forest.
In the rainforest.
The rainforest. And that's why I'm wearing this outfit, because it's easy and stretchy and you can climb in it and you can do the splits in it. Although I can't do the splits, so maybe not. Let's get that out.
Do the splits.
Ow.
That's almost the splits.
Oh,
It's
no.
better than I can do.
Sand got stuck in
In your plaster. So yeah, we're off to the high ropes. Today it's like a canopy tour.
Now I want to go to the ocean, but I can't because there's poisonous.
There are jellyfish everywhere apparently, although we haven't seen any yet.
Apparently they're like that.
So yeah, so we're
I
gonna
could do a cartwheel.
Go.
Just not on it.
Go! Go!
Get me. Oh, it's sandy.
It is sandy, that's the idea of sand. Right, we'll see you in the treetops. Whoop, whoop.
Bye.
Okay, so here we are, we're at Cooke Creek. It's not called Cooke Creek, but we've called it Cooke Creek. Haven't we?
You've only just decided that now.
I've just decided it's called Cooke Creek. To be honest, every creek in Australia, northern Australia, is called Cooke Creek.
Either has sharks or crocs.
But the crocs eat the sharks.
I don't
so
think Mum's gonna make it in time.
Mum will make it. Mum's gone to the toilet over there.
And they've just...
And the
boarded.
ferry has just arrived. We need to get a short ferry ride just across Cooke Creek.
Not all Croc Creek.
Yeah, but I'm calling it Cooke Creek. Why are you spoiling my fun? Leave it alone.
Because I care.
The air conditioning is on in the car. It is 10 to 9 in the morning and we've got it at 31 degrees Celsius. Mum needs to be really quick now because there are actually only 2 things on that ferry. And yeah, we're going to cross.
She's not going to make it.
And then we're going to go and find some high rope adventureness in the top of the canopy. And she's running. She hasn't run faster than that. Come on, Claire.
Run!
Oh, that was close. Did you make it?
Did you
I hope
make
so.
it?
Yeah.
Right.
Did you do what you needed to do?
Yeah, I did. Did my wee.
Brilliant.
Quick wee. Ran back.
In the bin?
Woo-hoo.
Right, we're on the Cooke Creek. Anything?
No, not yet.
Rubbish. Come on, Crocs, where are you?
No, you. Hi.
See any that way? All these warnings about crocodiles, I don't think they're even round here. I'm going to get complacent and go swimming.
Do you know what you should do? In Crocodile Dundee, there was a man who filled up his water bottle at the edge of the river.
Yeah, and then he got attacked, didn't he?
Got attacked. That's
Is
what
it
you
that
need to do
hill?
if you want to find a croc.
I don't know.
Let's try it.
There's a film.
Of course, it's salt water, so we might not want to fill up a water bowl.
I get
You can go for a wee in it though.
Like when
You should have
it's
done that,
like-
Claire. Right, we're crossing the river. It's very uneventful. Stuff over there.
The side, like, halfway.
Yeah, we're almost there.
Like the shark.
No.
Just like.
We are in the rainforest. We just stopped for a toilet break, and as you walk up to the toilet there's a little bit of a surprise in that there's one of the girls' toilets as well. Hang on. Look at that beast.
Wait, no, Dad, you can see it from here. It's there.
Wow.
Oh yeah, look at that.
That is
Hideous.
Golden orange is one of that
beautiful.
Look at that spider.
I can see, yeah. I can see
No,
it.
you know the girl that had that thing on
There's one right above
Oh,
the
yeah.
toilet.
That's rank. Imogen told me not to look up because I was on the toilet, and then she told me not to look up, and then I didn't look up, and then I looked up when I got out, and I'm like, what?
Wow.
Look at it though, it's so big.
See, as long as they're on the
Wow.
web and the same
They make
Me
massive
too.
webs.
as long as they're
Dad's
not-
getting his camera out, taking brilliant
as long as they don't
pictures.
fall in the
Shall I stand behind it?
It's as big as Claire's head. Yee. Creepy crawlies everywhere. We need our insect repellent.
We're alright, we're well hard. What would Bear do?
Eat it. Go on. After you.
Well, I would, but I think they're endangered, so I better not.
I don't think they are. There's loads of them. Okay, so here we are in the trees. It's a really long way down. Not yet. It's not. I'm just kidding. It's not a long way down yet. It will be soon. We are waiting for our bus to come pick us up. We've got a little shack here where there's tea and coffee, and Claire's putting a sun lotion on. We get picked up by a bus 4 minutes down the road, and then we start our canopy adventure. So we will see you on the other side at the trees up there. Bum. Ooh! It is long enough. Come on, in you go. Let's put the leg into.
Don't drop it. Don't do that. Well done.
Sweaty mess. All of us. This is going to be interesting taking this stuff off. So, we have not had enough of the rainforest yet. We are still in, what's it called? The Dakota rainforest. What's it called? Daintree Rainforest. We have finished our high ropes. We have stopped off at a watering hole, had a little drink, and now we are here at the Daintree Visitors Centre. Dropping all sorts, and we're going to go and have a look in the visitor centre. What do you think about that, Em?
The camera's recording.
Smile. Wave. Smile and wave. And now disappear down. Disappear down. Smile and wave. Smile down. You go down. Smile and wave. Like you're in an elevator. Smile and wave. She's not directable.
I want to go back to bed.
No, no chance. Let's go. Now, how do I make it look like we saw this in the rainforest for real? Damn it!
Mine won't work.
Oh, that's good. Tripped over, don't mind me. I'm going to the toilet whilst I fly. It's hot.
We're in the rainforest. $23 meters up. Really? Feels like more. It's really hot. Just listen. I would say it's peace and quiet, but there's a lot of noise. Stop talking. Sorry. It's just nice. 15. That's 15. You can hear the little river and all the bugs. You can't hear the kids. If you say it, they'll come back. It's not Beetlejuice. They just know. They do know. They know when there's a moment. But look at this. This is quite peaceful. That's pretty cool. We're in a rainforest. I don't know if this can hear if we whisper. We're in a rainforest. We're at the top of a rainforest.
Can you hear that bird?
I can hear a kid.
I'm clean. I'm clean.
Oh, not this one. This one, look, it's the weather thing that...
Cyclone.
Yeah. Whatever that thing. Crocodiles! Go, go, go!
Well, you say that, but we haven't seen one yet. So, are they real?
Hello,
Good question.
It's my paper.
So we're in the Discovery Centre now, having had a look around and learned about ants. And now we're going to go and catch up with everyone else. Looks like a nice place to have some dinner, but really not. Where do we go now? It's just a tree. A young tree in the middle of the walkway. How inconvenient. One thing I learned today, that these ferns catch the crap that falls off the other trees up there, and then they digest it, and that's their food. Learning of the day. Boom.
I should have just said.
Huh? You shaking your stuff in the floor of the... you shaking your sweaty bits? That'd be amazing, wouldn't it?
That'd be a great
Oh, I jumped. Here he goes. Right. Yeah. Go on, get it, get it, get it. There's another spider there. Oh, he went for it. He went for the other spider.
Did he?
Whoa. Even in Australia, the wildlife seems to be in cages. And there's a snake. Huh. Well, there's a snake.
There's a dragon in this one.
His name is Spotty, and he's a jungle python. Oh, look at that. That's cool. Hello. What you doing? Not a lot. There's another one up here. I think I might just fake it and say that these are wild animals and we found them in the jungle. Do you reckon?
That Ruby's moving its belly.
Just like have a walk in the rainforest without having to pay or anything.
This is the end of day 8. Day 8. Here we are. Walu Wikiriga.
Wikiriga. That's it. So we've had a day in the rainforest and we've got to head back right across the other side of the bay to our hotel.
But this is a beautiful little spot. Just to stop and take a breather.
And that's the end of the day.
This has been a hot, sweaty day, hasn't it?
Sweat marks.
We are all minging and ready to just go back and jump in the pool.
Yep.
But it's been fun.
Good. Right. See you
Thanks
tomorrow.
for watching. See you later.